Greetings one all, how's everyone doing? I hope well. Let's jump right into this week's channel shout out.
Alright, it is shout out time. Get these pulled out. This week is... There you go. Chris Bentley, walking and rambling, excuse me. Just watched this video today. Good dude. Real good dude. I know he's actually asked me a few times, is my name in there? But yes, your name is in there, brother. So, his channel will be linked in the description. And video will be on the playlist as well.
Well, there we go. Another great channel. I'm more than happy to do these channel shout outs every week for my brothers and sisters and channels that I watch. So all the information will be down in the description. Hopefully they work. If they don't, hopefully the end cards will work. You know, the video is usually short enough to do so. I don't know why that happens, but what are you gonna do? Anyway, there's that, and I also want to tip my hat to our fine servicemen and women out there, from our recruits clear to our veterans. Let's not forget also 22 a day. 22 of our veterans take their lives. Should be 0. And I'd also like to extend my appreciation to our first responders saving lives out there every day. Without you, many would be in a world of hurt. So again, I do thank you for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.